Trade Confident family, guys, we're up $61,000 in profit in the last 18 hours. We can see this from our chart here, and we're doing very well. If you guys are not following the future forecast in the membership, please do so. I just went over a lot this morning teaching you guys how we're going to make the most money in cryptocurrency by getting into altcoins and shifting out of actually Bitcoin and getting into these 2, 3, 4x gains that you're going to see over Bitcoin. But this morning, I want to talk to you guys about something different. If you guys are brand new to cryptocurrency, this is going to be a very important video to watch. If you guys are like, why are all these people FOMOing into cryptocurrency right now? Guys, there is a reason for this. Getting straight into the video today, you guys need to understand this. An asset that has a diminishing supply and also has the price increase to the upward right part of a chart means that it should be something you should be looking into. When an asset has built-in inflation aspects, just as Bitcoin has with the Bitcoin halvings, and you can also see that there is a limited supply to this asset, it should set some light bulbs off in your head to say, hey, I should probably pay attention. When you start seeing BlackRock or Fidelity and these other big institutions come in and start gobbling up billions of dollars worth in just 1 to 2 quarters, you should probably start paying attention. What I want you guys to see today is a chart that I've never shown on YouTube here, and is a very staggering chart of why my wife and I and a lot of us here are gobbling up Bitcoin as fast as we can in altcoins because of what's coming. And this red line right here that you guys are seeing my cursor go over, this is what's called the remaining supply of Bitcoin. The orange line here is representing the circulating supply of Bitcoin. Okay, we're going to say the remaining supply and what's already been gobbled up. Let me give you guys a stat here that should shock you. The amount of Bitcoin that is left is about 6%. This means 94% of the 21 million Bitcoin mined supply has already been taken. Now, here's a more drastic stat. There's about 1.1 to 1.2% of the public, we'll just say 1%. 1% of the public owns that 94% of Bitcoin. So what happens if and when Bitcoin becomes a global reserve currency? What happens if this gets to global adoption, where we see nation states start buying Bitcoin at rapid amounts? If we see BlackRock, Fidelity, and all these ETFs continue to see their acquisition of Bitcoin? What happens when the retail trader sees, oh my gosh, this is something here and we should start buying? Do you understand the math here? 99% of the world is going to race after the remaining, at that time, 4 to 3.5% of the remaining supply. 99% of the world is going to race after the last 4%. Do you think the price of Bitcoin could go up higher than where it's at? Because here's the thing that I hear, guys, and I teach this to all of our members, but I want to do more of a teaching thing today of what I do in our membership. Guys, $67,000. Let's just say around $68,000. Everyone's main complaint is that Bitcoin's price is too high. And I'm not going to buy right now because it's too high. Guys, if you have that thought right now, I want to prove to you right now that that is, from historical data, a very bad thought to be having right now. And 2025 is marked to be a very, very bullish year. So can I show this to you guys? I hope you guys are getting a lot out of this. By the way, everybody who joined our membership, we've got Danny, Gene, Christoph, Isa, Miguel, Francis, Brian, Robert, Jeffrey. I think this is in the last 24, 48 hours or so. And then a few of you guys, Brian, Fernando, and Yahan, who got the indicators. Guys, just want to say welcome to you, and let us know if you have any questions about any of that. I'll show you guys how to get into the membership and indicators at the end of this video. Watch this. CryptoCon did probably one of the best mock-ups of this. And what he did is he showed us that Bitcoin is cyclical. And we've been proving this to you guys in our charts that we show for the Bitcoin price algorithm. We were able to predict the Bitcoin price for October within a 4% deviation 31 days in advance in our membership. And we were also able to predict the 3 best entries in October to buy Bitcoin, and they're all in profit. You guys saw the YouTube video yesterday. I showed you with that. It's incredible. Grab a membership and watch it. Here's what I want you guys to see. What we're doing is we're going through 4-year cycles. And I'm going to start here. Let's just start in 2014 here. So 14 is a bearish year. Let's just do colors. Let's just play the color game right here, actually. We have a blue year, which is the first out of 2 bullish years. So first bullish year, second bullish year. After this, we follow with a bearish year in yellow. Then we have an accumulation year in green. We have a bullish year, a bullish year. It repeats again. Bearish year, accumulation, bullish, bullish. Bearish year, accumulation, bullish, bullish. What we are seeing right now in 2024 is the same cycle that we see in 2020 and that we saw in 2016. Let's get back to this chart. Do you remember that I told you guys a lot of people are saying Bitcoin's too high right now and they don't want to buy right now? Do you guys understand what's coming next from the historical cyclical patterns of cryptocurrency? The red year is coming. That means this right here. That means this move right here. That means this move right here. That is what is expected to come for 2025. Guys, this is the stuff that we teach in our membership. And this is where we can see these cycles take over. We bought $100,000 worth of Bitcoin and altcoins in December 20th to 23rd of 2022. Okay, we actually ended up getting literally at the bottom of cryptocurrency, right down here. This is where we bought, right down there. That's where we bought in our membership for every one of you guys following. When you start to understand how the market is more cyclical than it is just, randomly looking at candlesticks on a chart, then you can start cycle timing. And that's what we do in our membership. I teach you guys, it's about the cycles. I'm not really interested in getting in and out and trying to time the markets perfectly. I'm about buying really low, getting into the markets and selling at the high prices. Okay? Real quick, guys, I don't know another indicator that's done better than this. And everybody who purchased the other day, listen up because you guys are going to love this. The top and bottom finder. Guys, this indicator has done some of the absolute best buying for us, as well as given us some of the best sell signals. It called the biggest drop in 2023. It called the last peak the strong sell almost perfectly in the cryptocurrency top of the market. We ended up seeing the sell signal here, the sell signal here, and we're going to watch to see if this plays out for a drop or a pump. But guys, the top and bottom finder is something you guys should have on your charts. So here's the deal, guys. If you guys go over to tradeconfident.io, I just came out with a video this morning where I'm going to show you guys how we are planning on transitioning our money into altcoins. In fact, I did a big schematic mock-up this morning for all of our members of how we're specifically going to do this. I will show you guys the charts that actually show where we're expected to be for November, because October we nailed the price of Bitcoin 30 days in advance within a 4% deviation, which I think blew a lot of us away. And our charts showed that we were supposed to go down the first couple days, a few days of November, and actually then start heading up, which also called it on the 5th today. So guys, go to tradeconfident.io. There's a 25% off coupon code in the description. We also are going to call out trade setups for you guys. We are 225 wins and 0 losses. The track record is open to the entire public. We use buy limits. We have 82% of our trades winning without ever using a buy limits, and you can see all of our percentages here. And then, of course, guys, always go over to the profits, take a look, and see for yourself what other traders are doing. 103% in 34 days, 2,000 to 10,000. We've got, I'll just go down to the number ones because they're easier to read out. Okay, made $3,100 today, $4,103, $1,000 from $150. I'm just going to read this out. Jake, go ahead and zoom in on this when I read this out because it's kind of funny. I made $1,000 of $150 in the month using our indicators. Hard challenge, but the indicators made it. So guys, the indicators are doing very well for people. Covered 3 months of membership fees, so on and so forth. Purchased the indicators, made $500, $5,200, $4,300. Okay. We have all of these testimonials on the site to give you guys just reference that our stuff actually works. We hold the highest win record ever recorded for cryptocurrency at 225 wins and 0 losses. And these just keep on going, up about 20K, up about 7K, 20K again, $61,000 tonight. Like, we get crazy testimonials in here. So grab the indicators, grab a membership first, grab the indicators, and then we'll give you guys a big discount on this, and then I will continue to coach you guys. If you guys get a membership, we're going to give you $150 off the $499 Pro Pack. Once you buy the Pro Pack, we are then going to give you $400 off on the top and bottom finder. These are the indicators that people are using to make these profits over here. It's the exact indicators we're using to go 225 wins and 0 losses. Watch the future forecast this morning of how we plan to grow our account to $2, $3, $4 million within this bull market. And I will see you guys in the future forecast. I hope you guys enjoyed today's analysis of why it is time to buy Bitcoin based off cyclical patterns. I'll see you guys in the membership. Enjoy the 25% off coupon code for the first month, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.